Yo, you never would believe what just happened, bro. So we tried to get a pizza, and it started raining on our freaking pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah, going back to get another.
Go fishing.
God damn. I can't hold that for so long. Just because it's like. My brain went dumb.
Just because like my brain went dumb.
So we're on our way to pick up this dude Sabo, the salamander.
We're going to pick up salamander.
Yeah, Bucky Warrior 911. I mean, 911.
We're going to pick up Brain.
Yeah, we'll see you when we get there.
We shall.
We shall, because we shalln't. We have basically arrived at this gold fishing place. Yes, gold fishing.
We have, and now I'm gonna park on the tiniest fucking crab ever.
My boy. Buck. Oh my god. There's like 3 sauce people over there that I don't even. Oh my lord. You see them?
Yeah, I do.
Oh god. Let me see if I can just get on the shot.
They don't see us. Just like, hey man, stop recording me.
Yeah. They're like, it's a matter man, I have a smack in the head. Look at them, they'll all kill us.
Yeah.
They're gonna be cold fishing.
Now I got pencil heads.
Yeah, look, oh my god. Erase your heads.
We are outside.
Alright, give me a second. I gotta wait until I am combat free.
Too long.
My bounty will get diminished.
Alright.
So you won't believe this, Houdini's. Last week, we tried to record a podcast for the first time. It was kind of weird, but it was just practice because, apparently, when I clicked that mouse button, everyone thought it was recording. And when we got finished looking at the video, it wasn't recording at all somehow. Like, what do you mean?
Somehow the start recording button didn't.
It didn't register.
Yeah, it just didn't register. It just didn't work.
Yeah, and now we're just stuck here being cool vision. And now we have to re-announce that we may have a 4th member. Oh boy!
Yes, we possibly might have a 4th member of that group.
4th member.
His name is. I'm not gonna say his name, but his name is. Let's see. Let's give him a nickname.
His name is Zareth.
Yes, Zareth, or fucking insane ass.
Insane. Freaking failed car starter.
Yeah, failed car starter. Failed to start car. That's his name. He laughs like a failed car.
Yeah.
Or like he's trying to rev a chainsaw, like. Like his laugh sounds like he's trying to start a car that's been sitting there for like 3 months.
Just.
It's like.
Oh jeez.
But I know Brian's house because it's got that stupid little fucking skeleton thing hanging down.
And it's got a 1-3
And it's got Brian coming out of it.
It's also got Brian coming out of it.
That's how we know it's his house.
It's Gold Vision.
Hey, it's Brian. It looks like he's sipping on some water.
What? Who sips on water?
Sipping on some lean.
I have not drank anything since we started playing Roblox.
Ooh,
I've
me
not eaten
neither.
nor drinking everything. I mean, everything.
Everything?
Anything.
He's a hardcore gamer.
Yeah, boy.
If you're able to run off of 0 hours of sleep, 0 food, and 0 water, then you're a gamer.
Gamer status.
You have big gamer status if you can do that. I love looking at like people driving, and when they turn, they go like this. They fucking turn their whole body with the steering wheel. You ever see that?
I think
They go like.
Whoa.
When is your friend's birthday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Mario.
Maybe that one fucked up dude didn't say happy birthday or anything.
Oh god.
I'm just gonna pretend that. I'm just gonna pretend that I didn't do that.
What?
No.
Because he didn't say it was your birthday that fast.
I didn't realize it was your birthday.
I don't really care about my birthday.
Happy late birthday.
Say,
What is that? He's driving on the fucking sidewalk. He's what the fuck?
that's Worcester for y'all.
He's driving on the sidewalk. That is Worcester.
I didn't even get the footage, but I don't know.
That was hilarious. A van was just driving on the sidewalk. It looked like fucking GTA.
Oh
He's about to run 1 million pedestrians over.
Only here you'll see this.
What if they have like a bird
Worcester.
here?
We're like
Oh,
turn-
Antonio's Pizza right here, right?
No, we're going to Leo's.
Oh, but this place right here is amazing. Antonio's
Yeah,
Pizza.
I thought he got it from Antonio's, the
I
barbecue
love
chicken.
that place. Like the pizza.
Yeah, it's good. It's really
Yeah,
good.
it's I forgot what flavor it was.
Oh shit! No, I missed the double points.
Look at this delightful pizza.
PS4.
Oh yeah, it's good until it runs.
Barbecue chicken.
Barbecue chicken pizza.
Barbecue chicken pizza. We're literally devouring Goldie.
Best drink you've ever had.
No, bro. This drink is a fold and a half. It's like It's like you. It looks good, right? It's a fucking chai latte. Then it's like, for some reason, this thing destroys your insides with like minty weed plant tasting ass things.
that caffeine?
This is chai latte.
Oh no.
This is not a coffee. I wanted to try something new, and look how that went.
Yeah.
Basically, it translates to disgusting.
Yeah, you know what? I better call Gustavo and have him recommend me stuff next time.
Stop it. You're like the freaking Dunkin' connoisseur.
Literally.
Gustavo's the Dunkin's connoisseur.
Yes, he's like addicted to freaking Dunkin', and he knows everything about it.
Jeez.
He's probably tried everything on the menu.
Was sweaty.
Yeah, Dunkin's.
Sweaty on Dunkin'.
Bro, literally, you used to like tell me to go to bring him to Dunkin's every day after school because he's gonna ride.
Oh my god.
But he would buy me something.
Taste
Oh, wait,
test,
look, I'll show
even
you-
though
I'll show you
I've already
radiation
tested
man.
the shit.
Radiation man is
Yeah,
here.
yo,
Wait, there he is. Radiation
Oh,
man.
oh,
Right
the
there.
aftertaste is so
Radiant
AIDS.
cancer.
That's radiation man. That's
Oh,
fucking
from
faggot
cancer.
man.
Oh,
Faggot man.
oh.
Faggot man.
This is a fucking Jew. It's like.
What is that?
Cut that out. He's fucking stupid. All he does is fucking like block you between zombies.
God.
Good, bro?
I'm not good. This thing's killing me.
Just eat a pizza and you'll be fine.
Oh, okay. It was starting just drinking it. Oh, really? Why don't you try? This is. You'll see how bad this is. I can even switch out the straw if you want, or just like take this thing off.
I have tried.
Like, bro, just try it. This is so bad. This is literally so bad.
Tastes like AIDS.
This is AIDS.
I'm waiting
on
for the new
steroids.
post that he posted it on the Magu, but you guys don't want a Magu, so. I don't even have to taste it, because by smelling it, I can just know how it tastes.
Oh, dude, it tastes weird, but then the aftertaste will literally destroy your insides like nothing.
The aftertaste is gross.
I don't want a bad taste in my mouth.
Literally, I'm about to just take a turkey and pour this drink onto it because they both deserve each
I'll
other.
tell you that I ate turkey for Thanksgiving.
I had to force myself to eat the turkey.
My aunt made it. I thought it was pork because she like the way she cooked it. She like took out the bones and everything. And I thought it was pork because we always eat pork, and then it was turkey.
I'm just like, ew.
No, it tasted good because the way she seasoned it good.
Oh my.
Yeah. Tastes good.
No, it tasted horrible. Thank you.
No. I was literally eating fire, bro.
Fire.
Yeah, because it's
Is it
dry
spicy?
as hell. No, it's not spicy. It's just that dry.
How do you wait? Never mind.
You just ask not to.
Ask him.
Oh, he can. Oh, fire is dry. He says.
I don't think he. I don't know. Fire tastes good to him, so I don't know if he says it's dry.
Does it?
I don't know. He just never explains it.
Built different.
He's built. He's built hot.
Watch this. Wonder Weapon.
Oh, fuck out.
You know you build different when you get attacked by a mouse.
What?
You got attacked by freaking Moki from the Moki show. Remember?
What?
You were watching it too? With freaking deer?
Oh yeah.
First
Oh my
one.
god.
What happened?
The Moki show, you know what that is?
We gotta show, bro. There's some weird shit.
Funny
If
as fuck.
anyone wants to.
Wait, bro. Look at this pizza. It's built different. It's built awesome.
Oh, you have
Built
drift?
good. It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
That's what I said. It's good.
Oh, it's Mega Faggot.
Mega faggot, leave me alone!
Ooh. That. The Wonder Weapon actually one shots the Mega Faggot.
Damn, this drift is bad for multiplayer.
I don't even know what happened. I've had this controller for like a year and a half. This had drift for like halfway into its life cycle. Use the Wonder Weapon. Just shoot him with it. Yep, he's dead. Alright, quick, run away, because there's gonna be two.
Two?
He splits into two.
Oh god.
Oh, fuck.
I can't believe they've done this.
I can't believe they split this.
Literally.
I'd rather drink tap water than this thing.
You know, maybe my judgment was a little.
I don't know about that, sir.
You rather drink sewer water?
By this point,
Yes.
Really?
this tastes like sewer water.
What's the difference?
Tastes like vomit.
You haven't even tasted it yet,
Even washing it down with water doesn't help.
I don't want to taste that, no, thank you.
Alright.
No, I'm good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like.
Cause I'm using,
It smells even worse than it tastes.
Really? Let me smell this shit.
cause I'm usually minding my own business and I remember like a bad taste.
Oh my
It
god.
was like, moment.
It smells even worse than it tastes.
Right? It tastes like bad cinnamon.
What?
It does. It smells like cinnamon mixed with cancer.
Oh my god. No, you can get low from this, not even high.
No, yeah,
No.
you literally get low. Literally, it's probably true. You get low from it.
Like what?
It's like, man, I'm trying to get low tonight. It's like, oh, are you? Are you?
Is weed an antidepressant, a depressant, or a stimulant? What is it?
Both. It's both a stimulant and antidepressant. Well, it depends on the strain, really. If you smoke something that's meant for depression, then yeah.
What's
Would this
depression?
would give you energy?
No, this is depression in its
Yeah,
freaking
that is
purest
depression.
form.
You need a blunt with that just to enjoy it, because it's depression.
The elixir of freaking depression. So right there.
It's so bad. It's so
Are you
bad.
still recording?
Yeah, I mean, I'm doing them like cuts and bars. Like, they do
Right.
stuff and.
Any of my smokers on here? Yeah, I don't have any bullets for that one yet.
Bruh.
Every time I go to Walmart, I mean to get some, and then my brain is like, no. No, you don't need to waste money on
You
this.
didn't get it. You should though.
It's like,
I
no.
should. 'Cause then I could have Nerf battles. And I'll buy some balls for that shotgun too. What is it?
Oh no, this is gonna sound dumb. Oh god, it just sounds so stupid in English. Like,
Sounds dumb in English.
so unfunny, like
One of those things that sounds better in the other language.
exactly. It's like
That's like some Armenian stuff. Like if you translate some sentences to English from Armenian, sometimes it like doesn't even match up. Like
Yeah.
you'll say something in Armenian and then it'll translate to something like "Give food me orange."
Bro.
It's like "Give food me eat." And I'm like, what?
Speak Japanese.
Yeah.
Literally reverse grammar. Like speaking like Yoda.
Give me food.
If you can speak Japanese, you can speak Yoda.
Yeah, pretty much.
Give me a triple with a mean stew. Light it on fire, kiss up the flames. Give the tattoo a reading, convert it to Judaism.
Alright, you know, all three of us were tired. We were very tired during that vlog. We didn't get any sleep the night before. So, stay tuned for our next ASMR session. Goodbye now.